What have we got today, Aurora?
A season 2 Rainbocorn.
Now, what one do you think we've got today?
The other owlcorn.
The other owlcorn. And now, how do we know that it's an owlcorn?
Because it has a blue and silver horn.
Ah. Do you think that owl's talking, hey, Mummy, hurry up and open me up. I want to come out. You know my new Mummy. I've been trying to get out of this egg for ages.
Let's try to crack out my neck.
Okay, well, let's see. Open her up. Let's see. So we got the zip on the side. Let's see what the clue is.
I haven't even
started.
I started. I haven't even. Aha.
Oh, clue already. What does it
love
say?
snowflakes. Well, Hootie would love to get that one.
Hang on a minute.
Hootie would like
Did we
to have that one.
We already have one that's got snowflakes, don't we?
Yeah. So Hootie might want that one.
This is not Hootie again, is it?
No.
No.
She had the I love reading.
Oh, did she? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's the opposite one. She likes snowflakes. So this one must be the one with the reading.
It's Luna.
What has Luna got on her?
A shooting star.
Oh.
Because I looked at the checklist guide and saw her with a shooting star.
Oh, I hope it's Luna.
I created it like summer. So you're hilarious.
You're hilarious.
Hurry up, Mummy, you get too slow. Hurry up and get me out of here. I'm trying to.
Okay.
I just better do it.
Then you can do me half. Oh, it's a shooting star. Show us. Show Mummy. Show Mummy the cute. Wow. Okay, well, let's open her up. What colour is this one? What colour is this your Rainbocorn supposed to be?
It should be white. And it's Luna. It's like Luna Girl. Oh, I see.
Yay! Mummy's got in. Yay! Oh, wow, look at this. She's sparkly. She's got like sparkles in her fur. See?
Let me open up.
Oh, wow, and she smells like coconut. Oh, wow, look at the hair. Oh, hello. Hi, my name is...
book too.
My name is Luna. And I'm so glad to finally be out of that egg. Oh, and there's my accessory.
Let's see if she has sparkles on her first.
And I smell coconutty, don't I, Mummy?
Yes, you do. Oh, I love your wings.
Where's my heart, Mummy? Put my heart on, Mummy.
Here. Now I'll do it.
Now show us the other stuff that you got in your egg. What'd you get? You got the accessory, which was the bracelet that we just had. We got some Rainbocorn poop. Rainbocorn poop again.
And Boo-Boo-Corn.
Oh my god, a Boo-Boo-Corn. What did we get? What did we get? One Boo-Boo-Corn. A little one, a little hooter. And where's our checklist guy? Oh, did we get stickers?
Yes. We should. It's behind the checklist, guys.
We got some stickers.
And here's the checklist guide.
And we have our checklist guide. Our
name is
Sequin
Luna.
Sparkle Crazy Cute Collector's Guide.
Okay.
And in here
That's what all of them
will
say.
tell us that we have Luna, who does like reading books. Oh, so is Hootie. So, do we have Flash? We have Luna. We have Hootie. We have Willow. We've got to look for Paco. We can't find Paco. We've got Leo.
That's all I can get her heart
We
in.
need Lola. We've got Bella and Chico. And we've got Coral Poppy and Glimmer. So we've only got three more to find. We think we've got Lola. We think we've got Lola, and I think we've got, is it Jazz?
With the poop?
We think we've got those two already that will open soon. But for now, thanks for calling. Oh, look here, I got my star, I got my heart on it. It's beautiful.
That's all I can get her heart on. That's all I can get her heart on.
I love you, Mummy.
I love you too.